Okay, so we're just getting ready. We're going up to the Sandoval Convoy for Wounded Warrior project. We're heading up to Harley Davidson in Reno, and right now we're on Forest Hill. We got 7 bikes running today. We have two Ultra Limiteds, 3 Road Glides, 1 is a CVO, and 2 lowriders, I believe. But and 2 young children too. Anyway, we're gonna have fun with this. We got Harjeet. Harjeet, say hi.
Hello, hello.
This is Julie. She's gonna ride.
Hey, hello.
This is Mark. What's you riding, Mark?
Limited, just like Darren.
What's you riding, Julie?
Softail.
Softail. Tom, we all know what you ride.
Yeah.
His little Road King special. Very special.
So when did this
So yeah, we're up to Reno, the Great American Convoy for the Wounded Warrior project. Meet Adam Sandoval, and then tomorrow we're going to be riding down from Reno down to Sacramento, Harley Davidson, and hanging out there for a little bit. So 7 bikes going up now. We've got 3 joining us later. It's going to be a fun trip. Come along. All right, so let's do a quick bike check. We've got Tom's bike, Road Glide Special. Harjeet and his Lowrider S. Of course, and there's my bike, mine and Jenny's, Ultra Limited 2019.
I itch if I don't ride for me. I itch. Yeah, you guys ride quite a bit then.
And then you got Mark's bike, another Ultra Limited.
That's probably one. I wouldn't have Softail, but it didn't have.
Both the Ultra Limiteds. We got the quick disconnect for the tour packs. Julie's riding her lowrider.
But I think it's still fast enough.
I'll take him from the line. I'll from the line and meet him. But on the freeway, all day.
Shannon's got his Road Glide Special. What's up, Hollywood?
It's hot.
Then Steve's got his Road Glide CVO.
I don't know, but you couldn't go faster than that. So
I haven't got to 120 yet.
Really? So 75, it felt like you were hella fast and scared.
So you're saying at like 75 speed, you start shaking a little bit.
And then Palm's going to be joining us later with his brand new 2023 Ultra Limited. So we're excited to see that. We'll be seeing him tonight at Toucan Charlie's at the Atlantis.
It's dirty, it's hard, Luna.
Okay, so we stopped here at Truckee on 89, but probably 2/3 of the way now, and get to Starbucks, it's closed, typical. I was wanting a frap. Anyway, it gives people to have a chance to have a smoke break. Kids get to stretch their legs. Nice run, bikes are running so far very well. Long may it continue. Okay, so we are now at Reno, Carson City, where everyone is, Battleborn Harley Davidson. And got here safely. Try a little rideys side by side.
He wants to go to the water.
And
Oh no, that's different.
now we're going to meet Adam Sandoval. This is Jenny.
Hi Darren, I'm Jenny. Hi Darren.
Adam.
Hi Adam.
Jenny. Hello, how are
Been
you?
waiting all day to meet you.
Yeah, I get it. It's hot out there.
It is.
Yeah. So how are things? Where are you from?
Sacramento.
Oh.
Yeah, just rode up.
Okay, so you're going to ride with us all the way back to Sac?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. You staying at the hotel tonight?
Yeah, so
All
what's the deal
right.
with that tour? You have time for
So, have we got the time yet?
I don't have a confirmed time yet, but there's a bit of a road captain meeting going on over there by service. I think that they've got all the details.
They're working
right
on the
over there.
details right now, so we should have something for you shortly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, you're a
Great.
legend.
Man, not at all, man. Just a rider.
Yeah.
About 8 o'clock from the hotel.
8 o'clock.
Be ready. Kickstands up around 8.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay,
get up
can we do
early.
a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we like one of those badges, but it's not the Manchester United badge. We don't like Manchester United, we like Liverpool. Anyway, this is Paul. Phil.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, it's the accent.
Yeah. But this is Phil, and we just met, and we got 2-lane life and football in common. Football, not soccer, football. And he's going to become a Liverpool fan, I can tell it. He's going to take the badge off tonight, I think. Is that right?
There's more chance of me moving back to England than there is of me becoming.
Spoken like a true mank. Wait for this. Did you just buy a bike?
No sell.
Well, they didn't work with me.
Oh, they didn't?
Nah. They didn't work.
Oh,
That's sexy.
that is.
That's all me, though.
You were going to trade in your,
No, I was gonna buy
They're
it.
stuck on that.
and have the auxiliary too.
Yeah, I have the other one. I need both.
So after all the festivities at Battleborn Harley Davidson, it was time to hop on the road, and Adam had a little convoy of about 15 riders, I guess, heading to the hotel where we were all staying in Reno. We actually had the pleasure of riding behind Adam for the whole duration of the ride, and it was a beautiful ride, pretty quick, but it was fun. So here we are. I forget where we are. I think it's University something. I'll put it in the comments. But got a whole view of Reno right behind me. Sunset. It's pretty. So pretty. We got the drone up and took some shots. Took some shots of the bikes. Now time to chow. We're gonna go to Tucson Charlie's at the Atlantis. went there for Street Vibrations. So we know that buffet is killer. So I'll see you there.
But Darren referred to all of them as Thailand or Bangkok.
Thailand boys.
I got, yeah, the Thai boys, yeah. Back at the Atlantis. Two controllers, here we come. So parking was hard to find, so I guess this is official bike parking here.
No, I'm not glad. They said those are hella comfortable. They're comfortable though.
If a Honda Goldwing can park there, then Harley Davidson can park here.
I'm not lying. Yeah. They get the 3-wheel. Security. Yeah,